Thank you so much. Ayan. The Last Supper family. Thank you, Mayora. Thank you so much. Of course, I want to welcome all the way from London, Tito Kevin and Oscar. Thank you. Alam pa kanyo naman everybody na kung mga pa-English tayo. Yeah, sila po ang naaga-alaga every time na nasa London ako. They are the one. May S ba yun? They are the ones. Ha? Oh, basta thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you. My friends from London. Of course, I got my schoolmates, mga early batches from Canada na nandito din. Ay, maraming salamat. Of course, at this early point, I want to thank AMA crew for producing this show, for making this show possible. And of course, to my sis Molly. Lapakan natin everybody. Sa Bihar family, thank you so much. And it's gonna be a long night, of course. Palapakan niya mga kasama ko. Maya-maya din si Mutya Abatin. Napakaganda, palapakan natin. Masarap kasama ka trabaho. Maganda na, nakakahawa ng freshness. Ayan, mga ganyan. Ha? Huwag tayo maglokohan. Ate Neri, thank you. Alright, I'll be doing songs na yung iba narinig niya na, and some of the songs you guys are requested. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the night. So,